Good morning, my dear students. Let's start the today's class. Today's our topic is wildlife puzzle. Last class we completed up to question number 6 from page number 13, right? So today we are going to discuss more examples about the wildlife puzzle. We know that the value of the elephant is 5, value of the giraffe is 6, the value of the zebra is 7, the value of the tiger is 4, and value of the snake is 3. So you need to find the value by using this table. In exam or in test, I will give, some of the boys ask me, sir, we need to find out the values. No, I will give the values. Maybe here elephant is 5, maybe in exam or test I'll give you in place of 5, maybe I give you 7. So whatever I give the values, you have to use that values only. Okay, so now here elephant. So what is the question number A? 2 zebra plus snake 3 plus 3 snake. So 2 zebra, zebra is what here? 7. So 2 multiplied by 7 equal to 14 plus 3 snake. Snake how much? 3. 3 3 is a 9. So every time remember, first you have to multiply then add. So 14 plus 9 equal 23. You can use it this method also. 2 zebra, that means 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14, and 3 snake, that means 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. So 14 plus 9 equal to how much? 23. Why add? Because between 2 zebra plus 3 plus snake, 2 zebra and snake between there is a plus symbol, so you have to use it plus symbol. So 14 plus 9 equal to 23. Similarly here 5 giraffe minus 4 tiger. 5 giraffe value is 6, so 6 minus 4 tiger value is 4. So here 5 6 are 30, 4 4 are 16. So 30 minus 16 is 14. Or you can do it by this way. 5 giraffe, that means 5 multiplied by 6 equal to 30, and 4 tiger, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So remember here, so when you subtract, why subtract? Between 5 giraffe and 4 tiger there is a subtraction symbol, so minus. So 10 minus 6 is 4, because 0 minus 6 not possible, so you have to carry. So 10 minus 6 equal to 4, and 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Next one, here 2 elephant minus snake minus tiger. So there are 2 minus symbols. So if it is plus symbol, if 2 or more than 2, you can add all together, but subtraction you cannot do it all together. So for that one, you have to remember one by one step. Like 2 elephant, that means 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10, snake is 3, and tiger is 4. So first of all do it 10 minus 3 equal to 7, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Or you can do it like this: 2 elephant means 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10, and snake is 3. Then subtract 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 how much? 7. Then after that you can subtract tiger value from the number, what you will get it? 10 minus 3. So 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So don't subtract all together, because subtraction only possible between two numbers. Okay, so now 2 elephant, 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10, the snake is 3, so 10 minus 3 equal to 7, then the tiger is 4, so 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Now coming to the question from page number 13, here is the zebra and snake and tiger. So zebra how much? 7, and snake is 3, and the tiger is 4. So 7 minus 3, don't do it all one together. So 7, if it is all plus, you can do it all one together. So 7 minus 3 equal to 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Or you can do it like this: zebra is 7 and snake is 3. So between zebra and snake there is a minus symbol, so minus it, subtraction. So 7 minus 3 is 4, again tiger is 4, so again subtraction. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Next is 2 giraffe minus zebra. So giraffe is how much? 6. So 2 6 are 12, then minus 7. 12 minus 7 equal 5. Or you can do it like this way: 2 giraffe means 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 12. Zebra is only one zebra, so the value of the zebra is 7. So 12 minus 7 equal to 5. Now question number 9 is the homework for you. Giraffe plus snake equal to tiger plus what is the animal name here? So first of all, giraffe is how much? 6. Snake is 3, so 6 plus 3 equal to 9. So 9 is what here? Equal symbol. That means if left hand side is 9, so right hand side also 9. You know the value of the tiger is 4. I need the answer is 9. So 4 plus what number is 9? 4 plus 5 equal to 9. That means 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Or you can do it the total, I need 9. That means if left hand side is 9, right hand side also 9. So 9, this is the value is 4. 9 minus 4 equal to how much? 5. So what is the value of the 5? Which animal? The animal is elephant. So remember, first add the left hand side one. This is the equal, that means this is left hand side. Giraffe plus snake is left hand side, and tiger plus box is right hand side. So giraffe is 6. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. That means I need right hand side also 9. So what, how I do it right hand side? So tiger is 4, elephant is 5. So 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Okay, so value of the 5 is what? Elephant. Now the homework is page number 13, question number 9. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.